David Glasgow Farragut was born on the bank of what is now the Tennessee River near Knoxville in 1801. At the age of 7, he was adopted by David Porter, a U.S. naval officer who had the boy commissioned as a Navy midshipman just 2 years later. During the War of 1812, young David and his father were captured by the British Navy. After the war, Farragut quickly climbed the ranks. By the outbreak of the Civil War, he had repeatedly proven himself in battle, and although he proclaimed himself a Unionist, the Navy had doubts about Farragut's loyalty due to his Southern upbringing. His stepbrother and fellow naval officer assured the Navy brass about Farragut's allegiance, which led to his first command of the war as flag officer of the West Gulf Blockading Squadron. Farragut seized the port of New Orleans in April 1862 and was rewarded with a promotion to Rear Admiral. Despite setbacks in battles at Vicksburg and Port Hudson, Farragut won a great victory in August of 1864 in the Battle of Mobile Bay. The bay was heavily guarded by Confederate mines, which were called torpedoes at the time. After one ship was sunk by a mine, other Union ships began to pull back. When told why his ships were leaving, Farragut shouted his immortal command, "Damn the torpedoes! Go ahead, full speed!" U.S. naval forces won the fight for Mobile Bay, and Farragut won his place in Civil War history.